Hey folks, welcome back. Joe Doty here, Truck and Car Concepts. Just wanted to go over a few things that we're going to be doing outfitting this Jeep. The cliche word is just empty every pocket. That's what Jeep stands for, because you can put so much stuff on a Jeep. It is unbelievable. First of all, we started out with a lift kit. It's a BDS lift kit. It's got Fox shocks on it. It's a 4-inch suspension lift, and follow that up with his wheel and tire package. The tires are Amp Mud Terrains. The wheels are Vapor, MHT Vapors. Very nice package. We did the 5 of them. And so continuing on, we've done flat fenders. We've done wheel well liners inside. This whole Jeep has been totally redone. It's got a cold air intake. It's got an exhaust system on it. It's got an aftermarket stereo. It's got an Artec skid plate system underneath for protection when they're out off-roading. And so it works out very well. The customer has done a lot of upgrades to this Jeep. He's got bumper replacements front and rear. DV8 is the manufacturer of the bumpers. We added a nice 10,000 pound Warn winch to the whole package. And so on the rear bumper, he's got a heavy duty tire carrier for the oversized tires that we have put on the Jeep. So all around, he's got a whole lot going on. Notice all the LED lighting. The LED lighting has been put on there, and so in the woods, it is really, really bright, and he's able to see wherever he goes. We've got rock lights that we have put on there so he can see underneath the vehicle. It's a pretty nice setup for this Jeep, and he's been a real happy customer. And so just a few things that you can do to your Jeep. Come on in, talk to us here at Truck and Car Concepts, and we'll get you outfitted for your Jeep.